Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our online courses at www.lexicallab.com. Last week in one of my classes, we ended up talking about the fashion industry and about body positivity and models and modelling. And one of my students mentioned a former Russian supermodel who became incredibly successful. She rose to the top of her field and ended up marrying a French prince. As you do, I responded. We often respond to things other people have said or things we've said ourselves, using as you do to show in an ironic way that we think this is very unusual or very strange. For example, a friend of yours might start telling you a story, or a student might tell you a story, where they mention, for example, so there I was sitting in the back of this £200,000 Lamborghini. Right, as you do, you might respond. Sometimes when you're telling stories, you use it yourself as well to show that something is peculiar. For example, the other day, one of my cats threw up all over the floor, and in a desperate bid to try to conceal the vomit, my 8-year-old son, my 9-year-old son, my apologies to both you and to my child. My 9-year-old son tried to cover up the cat vomit by draping a dirty t-shirt over the top of it. As you do. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. And share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you think or when you think you might use as you do.